Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Figma for organization step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.figma.com and press enter. Once the Figma homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can use your email and password to log in. If your organization uses single sign-on, click on the Login with SSO option. Enter your organization's domain name when prompted. After entering your domain, click the Continue button. You will be redirected to your organization's login page. Enter your credentials as required by your organization. If prompted, follow any additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Figma dashboard. From here, you can access your team's files and projects. If you experience any difficulties, double-check your login credentials. For further assistance, contact your organization's IT department. Make sure to stay logged in if you plan to use Figma regularly. Now you are ready to start collaborating in Figma for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.